Ka samla Bashimti Snaitang ka samla pule na Saint Xavier College Umoid Maukurwan Southwest Khasils District Kelawan ra nam ya ka Southwest Khasils District Berokawai da ka jingyo jongka ya kakerdan ha ka top 10 hak subject political science na ka school ba Northeastern Hills University ha ka exam jong mentau snem arhajar arpusau ka samla Bashimti kalai khun ka exam Bachelor of Arts ha ka subject political science bat ka deru ka samla puli ka banengkong na ka Saint Xavier's College ka banikhun ya ka exam degree ha ka school ba Northeastern Hills University tu kani ka samla ka banengkong ka bayele ya ka exam BA na Saint Xavier's College Southwest Khasils District bat da ka jingkenjo jongka hak ta kekerdan top 10 kalawan ra 6 wan ra buram ya ke Saint Xavier's College bat kumjuru ya ke district hi bero kawai.
Welcome to St. Xavier's College Umoid.
Happy today to introduce to you Miss Bashimti Snaitang, who is one of the toppers in Northeastern Hills University exams 2024 in political science.
Bashimti, what learning experiences provided you the motivation for your higher performance?
Okay, so as a student of St. Xavier's, I feel St. Xavier's is not just an institution, but it is a platform to foster my knowledge, my wisdom, and then my personality. And there are so many experiences that I've had in St. Xavier. The competitions we have here.
I'm overwhelmed with the opportunities that I've had, the lessons that we have learned, and the growth that we have experienced. I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier's with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier's has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth, and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the luckiest to study here in the best and prestigious college which strive towards excellence. St. Xavier's is for all of us who can make the difference. As I leave St. Xavier's, I'll take with me the sweet memories, lessons, and my humble legacy. And I may not have left a mark, but you have left an incredible mark on me. And the future here is bright. Life is beautiful. Life is a battlefield full of ups and downs, highs and lows, plains and rocks. Remember to believe in yourself. Never talk bad about yourself. Be bold and brave. Be your own cheerleader.